In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable two-factor authentication on Discord. So to do this, open up your Discord app, go to your Discord profile in the bottom right-hand corner, then click on settings in the top right. Once you're here, you need to go to account, which should be the second one down. And then from account, you can scroll down and here you'll see remove authenticator app. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Click OK. Now you need to confirm this Authenticator app. So you need to go ahead and enter in the 6-digit from the Authenticator app. So you do need to have this on your phone. You can also click verify with something else and verify another way. I'm going to enter in the 6-digit from the Auth app. So here is my Authenticator app. I'm going to copy this 6-digit token and we're going to paste it into here. Now we've confirmed that it is us. You can see that has been removed and we can now enable it again later if we want. So that is how you can do it. I hope that quick video helped you out.